It's a new world. Today, your customers are expecting engaging digital experiences from all the products and services they buy. It's a puzzle that puts increasing pressure on you to develop as-a-service capabilities that can meet these evolving expectations. First, let's consider all the different offerings of as-a-service models. A framework, tools and accelerators that embrace all variations of the as-a-service model. New growth strategies and approaches to develop highly valuable and resilient as-a-service recurring revenue streams. These are several of the most common variations of the everything-as-a-service model used by hardware or industrial clients, including device-as-a-service, hardware-as-a-service, and IoT. These are foundational building blocks of any as-a-service business when moving away from a SKU-centric model. Our entitlement offering provides tools and templates to develop and scale subscription transaction infrastructures needed for as-a-service. Based on the experiences of companies who have built successful as-a-service businesses, Accenture is here to help you put the new puzzle pieces together for this new model. First, you need to embrace the culture and organizational change required for an agile, fast-moving as-a-service company. This is one of the most important considerations to help accelerate your transaction to these new models and avoid pitfalls along the way. As-a-service companies are built to deliver a superior customer experience, making offerings easy to implement, adopt, renew, and expand. It's all about meeting the needs of the user. Successful as-a-service companies deliver offerings using cloud-based platforms which capture data that can provide insights for product development, optimize operations, and better fine-tune the customer experience. These companies offer proactive services geared to fixing problems before they happen. As-a-service sales activities capture market share with higher velocity using a land and expand approach. Subscriptions models combine lower upfront payments based on users' consumption and other metrics. In this land and expand model, sales quotas and commissions are aligned to motivate sales teams to use more direct, rapid sales tactics. This can require sellers with different sales and technical skills. Existing sales teams need to be retrained into their new roles as hunters and farmers. The success of an as-a-service offering depends on the underlying business and transactional infrastructure supporting the service. This new subscription infrastructure enables new types of sales motions, monetization strategies, and frictionless customer experiences. One of the biggest changes from a traditional operating model is the importance of a product and services platform for the business. This platform will securely deliver as-a-service offerings, monitor usage, allow customers to self-serve, and provide a foundation for developers to build new solutions. When implemented properly, it enables an as-a-service business to scale exponentially without a significant increase in operating costs. This opportunity for margin expansion is one of the reasons these companies are so highly valued. As-a-service requires changing not just the product, but also the operating model and the infrastructure. It's important to recognize that in a subscription-based business model, everything is interconnected, and challenges need to be addressed holistically rather than focusing on smaller individual problems. Whether you choose to begin your as-a-service journey with a pilot or build out an entire business, there are some top considerations associated with creating this holistic plan. Choose a trusted partner like Accenture, who will help you to avoid pitfalls as you put the pieces together to build an entirely new business model. It's time to get started with Accenture.